everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about apples, and I have a list of foods broken into different categories that are known to pair well with apples. So if you're looking for some new recipe or meal ideas using apples, hopefully this will help you out. In the protein category, that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds, we have almonds, beef, cashews, chestnuts, chicken, eggs, hazelnuts, lamb, lentils, nuts in general, peanuts and peanut butter, pecans, pine nuts, pistachios, pork, sausage, salmon and other seafood, sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, turkey, veal, and walnuts. In the vegetables category that go well with apples, we have beets, cabbage, especially red cabbage, carrots, celery, celery root, chilies, cucumbers, endive, fennel, greens as in salad greens, jicama, kale, lettuce, onions, parsnips, rhubarb, sauerkraut, spinach, squash, especially winter squash, sweet potatoes, watercress, and zucchini. In the way of fruits, other fruits that pair well with apples, we have apricots, bananas, blackberries, blueberries, cherries, coconuts, cranberries, and that would be dried and fresh, currants, dates, figs, fruit in general, but especially dried fruits, grapes, lemons, oranges, pears, plums, fresh and dried, pumpkin, quinces, raisins, and raspberries. In the grains category and grain products, we have amaranth, farro, grains in general, kasha, millet, oats and oatmeal, phyllo dough, quinoa, rice, especially basmati rice, brown rice, and wild rice, and also wheat berries. In the dairy and non-dairy category, we have butter and buttermilk, cheese, especially blue cheese, cheddar, cream, feta, goat, gorgonzola, and Roquefort cheeses, cottage cheese, cream cheese, mascarpone, ricotta cheese, sour cream, and yogurt. And in the other foods category, there's agave nectar, brandy, butterscotch, caramel, honey, maple syrup, molasses, mustard, as in prepared mustard, oil, especially nut oils, spirits like brandy, cognac, kirsch, rum, sherry, and vermouth, sugar, especially brown sugar, vinegar, especially apple cider vinegar, and wine like red wine. I do hope this helps you out. Bye for now.